Welcome again in the series of our sessions. Today I am going to take you through expanded and short form of numbers. Now let us start with the meaning of expanded and short form of numbers. When we say about an expanded form of a number, is the way of expressing a number by breaking up a particular number in its respective digits, basing on their place values to get the total values and combining the resulting total values by using addition sign, as you can see. Now, simply, an expanded form also is known as a long form. So when you're asked to find or to write an expanded form, in the same ways to the one who likes the long form. But when we speak about a short form, we say that a short form of numbers is the way of expressing a number by combining the first digits of all total values from the expanded number. Now, when you have a number written in expanded form, when you take the first digit from each total value of the expanded number and combining these first digits from each total value, it is where we get a short form of a number. Now, let us see different examples showing the way we can write different numbers in their short forms and the long forms, I mean their expanded forms. Example 1. Write each of the following numbers in expanded form. The first number, 7,508. A second number, 321.78. Now, let us see the solution for each in terms of writing them in expanded form. A solution for the first part. A solution. Number 1. We are given number 1. We are given to write 7,508 in expanded form. This will be equal to 7,508 is equal to, you write a total value of 7 will be 7,000. As you remember, I told you that when you write a total value, you take the particular digit and you count the number of digits after each. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this becomes the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, zeros, 1, 2, 3. Now we add 500. It is 500. As you can see, this is the total value of 5 in this number. As after 5 we have 2 next digits, so the number of zeros to be added here must be equal to the number of digits after these respective digits in consideration. Plus 0. The total value of 0 is 0. Plus the last one is 8. The last one is written as it is, as its place value is ones. Now this is an expanded form of this number, 7,508. Let us see an expanded form for a second number. A second number is 321.78. Its expanded form will be equal to 300. Now this is 300 because 3 is in hundreds, plus 20. It is 20 because 2 is in tens, plus 1. We add 1 because 1 is in ones, plus 0.7, plus 0.7. It is 0.7 because this 7 is in tenths, plus 0.08. it is 0.08 because this 8 is in hundredths. As you know, if it is in hundredths, is equal to the one who takes 8 over 100. So 8 over 100, you get 0.08. So this is the total value for this 8 in this number. The same as I did in 7. 7 is in tenths, so it is equal to the one who have taken 7 over 10, because it is in tenths. So 7 over 10, you get 0.7. That is why I have written 0.7 here is the total value for this 7 you see in our number. So this is the way we write a number in expanded form. This is the way we write a number in expanded form. I have shown you the way you can write if it is in a whole number, the same as when you are given a number in a decimal form. So it is upon you to do according to the given number, either is in a decimal form or a whole number. Now, after this first example, I'm going to show you a second example of writing an expanded number into a short form. Let us see the way we do. Now let us see the second example. Our second example states that write each of the following expanded numbers in their short forms. The first number is 40,000 plus 30 plus 8,000 plus 5. A second expanded form is 70,000 plus 0 plus 200 plus 0.004 plus 0.3 plus 0.06. Now let us see the solution for each. On the way, we can change the expanded form of a number to its short form. Solution. By starting with our first expanded form of a number, we have 40,000 plus 30 plus 80,000 plus 5. Now, the way to shorten this form is like follows. We just carry out addition of these total values. So it becomes 40,000 plus we add 80,000, you add 30, and then you at the end you add 5. You add 5. Now, here will be 5, 0 plus 0 plus 3 will be 3, 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 8 will be 8, this here will be 4. Now, a short form of the given expanded number will be 48,035. This will be the answer for this expanded number into its short form. This will be the short form for this given number. Let us see a second part of our second example. A second part, you are given 7,000 plus 0 plus 200 plus 0.004 plus 0.3 plus 0.06. Now, the way we carry out the short form for this expanded number is the same as we have done in the first part. Now, you arrange the number in vertical way. You carry out vertical addition of these different total values so that you get the short value, so that you get a short form of this expansion. And now it will be equal to 7. It will be equal to 7,000 plus 200 plus 0.004 plus 0.3 plus 0.06. Now you can decide to put decimal points here, 0, 0, 0, and here it becomes 0, 0, 0, here 0, 0, 0. Now we start adding these values. Now we add these different total values. Here we get 4, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 6, we get 6. 0, 0, 0 plus 3 plus 0, we get 3. Here 0, 0, 0, we get 0. Here 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Here is 7. So the answer becomes 7,200 point. The answer becomes, the short form becomes 7,200.364. So this is the short form of the given expanded number. So this is the answer for the short form of this expanded number. Now, after these two examples, I hope we've understood well the way to write the short form from expanded numbers and the way to expand the number into their expanded forms. So it is my expectation that you can tackle any question concerning to this part. Yes, as I have told you, this is the homework for today's session. I have provided you 3 questions. The first question is to write each of the following numbers in expanded form. We have 85,002. The second number is 125,074. A third number is 187.452. And the second question is to write the short form for each of the following expanded numbers. The first expanded form is 90,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 20. A second expanded form is 100 plus 8,000 plus 0 plus 3. A third expanded number is 0.004 plus 0.2 plus 0.005 plus 40,000 plus 300 plus 30. A fourth expanded form is 900 plus 9 plus 0. A fifth expanded form is 5 plus 500 plus 0 plus 50. A third question is to state the digit in hundreds. For each of the following numbers. The first number is 80,216. A second number is 1,578.314. Now, this is the homework. Make sure that you do it. After doing, all answers for each question will be in the description. So make sure that you visit the description below so that you get the solution for each prepared question here. I thank you for attending today's session. Yeah, I welcome you in the next sessions and I wish you a nice moment. Thank you.